Welcome to our videos on accessibility at UAA. Google Workspace is one of UAA's core tools, so Google Docs, Slides, and Sheets are widely used, but unfortunately there are a lot of accessibility features that aren't built directly into Google Workspace. At UAA, we have access to an extension called Grackle that can be used to handle some of these accessibility issues. To install it, go to Extensions, Add-ons, Get Add-ons, and then search for Grackle. So mine is already installed, but if it's not installed yet, you'll just click that and follow the instructions to install by logging in through your UA account. Once the add-on is installed, all you have to do is click Extensions, Grackle Docs, Launch. And this will be the same in Google Docs, Sheets, or Slides. The extension will appear on the right side of your page here, and it will do an accessibility check of your document. Here I see that it's noted some of my images need alternative text, and any place that it has this locate and tag option, you can click to locate it and then click tag to follow the prompts to tag it appropriately. Some of these alerts are just warnings, like this one. This warning is that images may be downsampled or reduced in size, so that's not necessarily a huge accessibility issue. Whereas here is an X where it did not pass the accessibility check. Some headings jump levels. So if I click between these two headings here, I see that heading 2 went to heading 4 without a heading 3 between. So I can adjust that simply by going up and choosing the appropriate heading level. Here I see the high contrast color should be used warning. That's a good one to pay attention to. It's fairly easy to fix. So I'm going to go ahead and change this light green color to black to increase the contrast. And I'll click recheck and everything is looking good. Another feature of Grackle is that you can export a PDF that's accessible from Grackle Docs. If you just save your Google Doc as a PDF, it won't save any of these accessibility tags that we've made. So if you want to maintain accessibility, click that Export to PDF, and you can choose to either download it or view it on your Google Drive, and that will contain all of the accessibility tags and information that was created there in the Grackle extension. We hope that these videos can help you make your content a little more accessible. If you're an instructor who needs help making their content more accessible, contact UAA's instructional design team at UAA_design at alaska.edu. If you're a student who needs support with accessibility, contact Disability Support Services at 907-786-4530 or by email at UAA_DSS at alaska.edu.